In the name of Allah, praise be to Allah, we begin the course. Power system protection. Studying topics related to protecting the electrical grid is a key subject. Any fault in the electrical power system can lead to system destruction. Faults in other branches can be managed. Protection topics require understanding all parts of electrical power. Faults in the electrical power system are numerous and changing. Researchers find joy in this field. As for it being the most comprehensive, it is because studying protection topics requires comprehensive knowledge to varying degrees of all parts of electrical power. If you want to protect a generator, you must know all the details of the generator. If you want to protect a transformer, you must know all the details of the transformer. You cannot protect something that you do not know what it is. The excitement in electrical power systems lies in the numerous, diverse, and ever-changing faults. Researchers find joy in electrical protection, discovering it as an endless science. Electrical scientists agree that while all branches of electricity are sciences, protection is both a science and an art. Faults in the electrical power system cause abnormal changes in current or voltage, often due to short or open circuits. The system's role is not to prevent faults, but to minimize their effects, protecting itself from damage and isolating faults effectively. Inspiring the renaissance of the homeland of giving in the electrical power system is everything that causes an abnormal change in the values of current or voltage. The reasons for the abnormal change in the values of current or voltage are either due to a short circuit or an open circuit. The function of the electrical power system not to prevent faults from occurring, but to minimize their effects, so that the rest of the system is not affected by these faults. This way, it can protect itself from damage and isolate the fault properly. Electrical protection devices are responsible for sensing any fault in the power system. Upon fault detection, they issue a trip command, sometimes needing complex calculations. The command isolates the faulty part without affecting healthy parts. Thus, protection devices monitor normal values, detect faults, and isolate them by signaling or alerting the engineer for repair. To issue this command, to isolate the faulty part without affecting the other healthy parts, we can summarize the role of protection devices as monitoring normal values, to detect faults and isolate them by sending a signal or alerting the protection engineer for the appropriate repair.